Lesson 9. Weather. Let's go and try to get this basic conversation in English. Here we go talking about the weather. And we need to be aware that there are two interchangeable questions that might be asked connected to this topic. What is the weather like? Or how's the weather? Both of them have the same meaning. And the answer might be either it's rainy or it's raining. Why is that? It depends on the part of the speech that we want to use in the sentence. The rain is a noun, just like an object. Then we have the option to say it's rainy with y at the end. This is adverb, so the part of the speech that answers the question how. Okay? Or we can use the verb rain in the present continuous form with the auxiliary verb to be and make it is raining, ing, added to this rain. Okay, so please be aware of what you are talking about so that your sentences sound nice and clear. Okay, so it's all about the rain. It's rainy. What is the weather like? We can ask again, and the answer might be it's cloudy, or it's windy, it's snowy, it's sunny, it's foggy, it's hot, it's warm, it's cold. Okay, these are the basic options that we might need to use. And each of these sentences start with it's, because the weather in English is like an object. It's not a girl or boy, it is just something not impersonated. So that's why we need to get the subject it. Okay? So let's go and try to practice. Here we go with some pictures. Look at the picture and try to answer the question. How's the weather in this one? I would say it's rainy. Here, it's windy, or maybe it's warm. Looking at this girl wearing only a shirt. Okay, here we go, the children playing in the snow, so it's snowy. And it's cold. Next one, here we go with the girl, and we can say it's hot or it's sunny. And the last picture to analyze, here we go with the answer, it's foggy or it's cloudy. Okay, there might be, of course, different answer to the same question depending on what we want to express. Okay, and could you please look through your window now and tell me what is the weather like now in your country?